Okay, today, 3 wigs, 3 minutes, 3 colors, 1 brand from 3 different collections. Let's get started. Before I start showing you the wigs, and you know that 3 minutes doesn't start until I actually start showing the wigs. Y'all know this is not a wig review. This is a quick overlook of these 3 styles. I wanted you to see how they're similar and how they're different, and a little information on each one of these. All of these are available at wigs.com, of course, and I just love these. Now, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing brunettes. I hadn't forgot about y'all, but I just wanted to show you these 3 blondes so you can see how they're so similar. They're beautiful styles. They're all different price points as well. So let's get started and look at these 3 beautiful wigs. These are all, I would say, kind of sister styles. They're very similar. This is Belle Tress Alicante Raw Sugar Blonde R, and this is from the City Collection. Now, you know, these are so popular now, just fun, throw on and go. I feel like of all 3 I'm going to show you, this one probably has a little more fiber because it just has the mono part. It doesn't have a mono top. So there's a little more fiber on here. So if you're looking for something a little more than maybe the others I'm going to show you, a little more as far as fiber and density go, have a look at this one. Been a very, very popular wig. This is Alicante. Now, all the wigs I'm going to show you, of course, are heat friendly, and they are all from wigs.com. This is from the Luxe SE collection. This is Elsa in Sparkling Champagne R. This is new to my collection. Again, like I said, these are all kind of sister styles. I want you to be able to get a look at how all of these are different and how they are similar, and they're all also different price points. Now, this one we're looking at a partial hand-tied cap and a mono top. So you can see this is very low density. I love the feel of these fibers, and of course, you know, I love these easy to wear wigs. And the last one we're going to look at is Berry in Butter Cake Blonde R, and it is part of the Icons collection. Look at this color. You know, I've shown you this wig several times. It has become a favorite. If you're looking for something a little longer, have a look at Berry. It has that beautiful sweeping bang. It also has that Icons cap, and I'm going to show you the caps up here, so be sure to check that out. Y'all, this is gorgeous. I think this is one of my favorite colors. I love how beautiful the highlighting is in this. So there is a look at 3 different ones. If you want more information, check below this video for more information on these wigs. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.